Have you ever wondered what it would take to get every single garment you own folded perfectly, every single time? Imagine a world where that's not just a dream, but a reality. By 2030, experts predict that AI folders will become a standard fixture in clothing factories, making the slow, manual process of human folding completely obsolete. This isn't just about making things a little more efficient. It's a fundamental shift in how clothing reaches your wardrobe. This evolution promises faster production cycles and flawless quality for all your favorite brands, from high-end fashion to everyday wear. Forget everything you thought you knew about how clothes are made. But AI folders are here, and they're not just a minor upgrade, they're a complete paradigm shift for the entire industry. These intelligent systems are introducing a level of speed, accuracy, and efficiency to the manufacturing floor that was previously unimaginable. They are making human error a thing of the past and redefining what's possible in mass production. So, get ready to witness the future of clothing automation unfold right before your eyes. Let's take a closer look at the traditional production line. For decades, the final steps of garment finishing, folding, and packing have been a major bottleneck. It's a manual, labor-intensive process that's prone to inconsistencies. A tired worker at the end of a long shift might not fold a shirt with the same precision as someone who just started. These small variations add up, affecting everything from packaging consistency to how the clothes look on store shelves. The challenges of traditional garment automation have been significant, but a revolutionary solution is finally here. Today, we're going to showcase exactly how AI folders are overcoming these long-standing hurdles. Unlike older mechanical folders that follow a rigid set of instructions, these new systems are intelligent and adaptive. They use advanced sensors and computer vision to analyze each garment in real time. Is it a t-shirt or a pair of jeans? Is the fabric thick cotton or delicate silk? The AI can identify the item, its size, and its material, and then execute the perfect fold every single time. This ensures flawless garment presentation and dramatically boosts productivity. So, how do they actually work? It's fascinating. A camera first captures an image of the garment as it comes down the conveyor belt. The AI brain, powered by deep learning algorithms, instantly recognizes the item. It's been trained on millions of images of different types of clothing. Once identified, a series of robotic arms, guided by the AI, performs a sequence of precise folds. The movements are fluid, fast, and incredibly accurate. This isn't just folding, it's a choreographed dance of mechanics and intelligence, resulting in a perfectly uniform stack of clothes, ready for packaging. This level of precision was simply unattainable with human hands or older machines. The benefits extend far beyond just a neat fold. For manufacturers, this means a massive increase in throughput. A single AI folder can often do the work of several human workers, operating 24/7 without a break. This not only speeds up the entire production process, but also frees up human employees to focus on more complex, value-added tasks that require creativity and critical thinking. It also reduces workplace injuries associated with repetitive motions. For consumers, this translates to faster availability of new styles and potentially lower costs, as companies pass on the savings from improved efficiency. We're seeing these next-gen machines solve some of the biggest pain points in textile manufacturing today. They are not just folding clothes, they are creating a more sustainable, efficient, and responsive fashion industry. By automating this crucial final step, brands can react more quickly to trends, reduce waste from improperly handled stock, and ensure that the product that arrives at your door is in pristine condition. The era of the AI-powered factory is here, and it's changing the very fabric of the fashion world. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the future of garment automation. It's an exciting time, and technology like this is reshaping industries in ways we're only beginning to understand. If you found this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the world of cutting-edge technology. See you in the next one.